on thin ice. Hello, my name is Ben. Hello, my name is Rosie. This is Grandpa. This is Grandpa's van. It's fantastic. Ben, Rosie's brother. Rosie, Ben's sister. Grandpa. Clunk, Grandpa's robot. Mom. Now, let's read this story on thin ice. It's hot today, Grandpa, says Rosie. Why are you wearing a big coat and boots? Grandpa smiles and says, It's hot here, but I'm going to a very cold place. Can I come? Asks Ben. Me too, says Rosie. Yes, says Grandpa. Look, Clank has big coats and boots for you too. Soon they are in the van. Let's go, Clank, says Grandpa. I'm too hot in this coat. The van stops in a new place. It is very white and very cold. Where are we? Asks Rosie. We're in the Arctic, says Grandpa. Ben is pointing at the sea. Look, he says. There are seals in the water. And look there, says Grandpa. I can see two young polar bears on the ice. Are they fighting? Asks Ben. No, says Grandpa. They're playing. They're little cubs. I like them, says Rosie. Can we go close to them? No, don't go close, says Grandpa. I can't see their mother, but big polar bears are dangerous. Where is the mother now? Asks Ben. She's finding food for her cubs, says Grandpa. He points at the sea. Polar bears eat seals. The two cubs stop their game. They look up and see the children. They're scared of us, says Ben. Don't be scared, Clank shouts to the cubs. But one of the cubs ran. There is a new sound from the ice, and the cub stops. Oh no, says Grandpa. The ice is too thin there. The cub can't walk on it. There are cracks in the ice under the cub's feet. Soon the cracks in the ice are big. The cub is very scared. He can't swim, says Grandpa. He's too young. Clank goes on the ice, but he soon stops. I'm sorry, he says. The ice is The ice is too thin for me too. Grandpa, look! Shouts Ben. A big polar bear is running on the ice. She's the cub's mother. Quick, go to the van, says Grandpa. The mother wants to protect her cubs. The mother bear goes to the thin ice. It's too thin for a big bear, says Rosie. But the mother bear lies down on the ice. Then she crawls to the scared cub. Polar bears can't walk on the thin ice, but they can crawl, says Grandpa. The little cub is scared, but he watches his mother. Then he lies down and crawls on the ice too. Look, says Ben. The cub is learning from his mother. That's fantastic. Soon the cub is on the thick ice. Then the mother bear turns and looks at Grandpa, Ben, and Rosie. She stands up on two legs and roars. Now she's angry, says Grandpa. She wants to protect her cubs. Run! They want to run to the van, but it isn't easy on the ice. Ben looks at the cub's mother. With her big feet, she is very quick on the ice. I have an idea, says Rosie. We can't run, but we can slide, says Rosie. Watch me. She slides on the ice. Ben, Clunk, and Grandpa slide too. And soon they are at the van. Let's go home, says Ben. The mother bear is running in the van. Quick, Clunk, says Grandpa. The mother bear is very close. She jumps at the van. But now there is no van. There are no people. The mother bear walks to her cubs. At home, Mom sees Ben and Rosie. Take off those big coats and boots. And wash your hands for dinner, please, Mom says. Grandpa smiles. Your mom is protecting her children, he says.